Hey everybody, 2 days later, here we are. And tomorrow we're headed to Farmington to pick up some of the polycarbonate. And we went and put in the this rusted steel that we had from the house to match the house. I had some of this flashing laying around, which I bent up for the rim here, the base. This is gonna all be backfilled up a little bit to cover that. We got all of the rafters oiled, and now Leah's working on the beam in here, so everything is slathered with oil. Look at how shiny that is. We might need to rag this beam off. It's looking a little wet. What do you think?
Well, I just did it like a little while ago, so we'll see.
10 minutes. Yes, it's looking good. We also are framing the partition wall where there'll be a French door here. And then in this section, there's going to be two huge, we decided, keyhole beds that wrap around here and you enter into it. This is for maximum farming. So this whole front area from the beam out is going to be food with little keyhole entries in the shape of a T. And each of the partitions has two geothermal earth tubes coming up for maximum climate control. There it is. That is one long wall. So it's shaping up. Tomorrow we take a trip to Farmington to get the glazing that we're going to use on the end walls. We have the glazing we're going to use here inside, and then looks like Tuesday and Wednesday we'll be glazing and we'll seal it in. We're also picking up two doors, so you'll get to check those out as we install them. Share this with like-minded people. Let us know what you think in the comments. Be safe.